G'day collectors, it's that time of the year and we're going to unbox the 2025 Bathurst 1000 winner. Yes, that's right, we're going to be unboxing the 2025 Repco Bathurst 1000 winner. For those who are new to the channel or new to unboxings, you haven't seen this before, basically when a shipping container full of models is on its way to us, we also get a bunch of production samples that get air freighted to us before the actual container arrives, just so we can do like advertising and product images and all that sort of stuff. With the power of magic, let's open this up. And here it is, the Penrite Racing number 100 Ford Mustang GT, driven by Matt Payne and Garth Tander to win the 2025 Bathurst 1000. Straight away, you might notice that there is accessories that are along with this model. For starters, we have the Pertec number 1 pit board. Basically, when a car comes into the pit lane after they win or get a second or third, basically they'll drive up to this pit board and park it there. Obviously, with all of our Bathurst 1000 winner models, it comes with the Peter Brock trophy, which is to scale. And after the 2025 Bathurst 1000, we also noticed that Penrite Racing or Grove Racing actually brought their own signage and like Penrite wins boards. And so we decided to make scale replica versions of them. Just to make it cool. I mean, the model itself is already cool, but we decided to give it a little bit extra. So after a pretty chaotic 2025 Bathurst 1000, we saw many crashes, many retirements. We saw Chaz drinking a beer in the field. There was a lot to remember from that. But the most important thing to remember was Matt Payne getting his first Bathurst 1000 win and Garth Tander's like 6th Bathurst 1000 win, which is just insane. So yes, it was a pretty memorable moment, and the car obviously looked pretty different because Penrite was celebrating 100 years of Penrite. At the start of 2025, Penrite Racing kind of had like a black and kind of grey livery with like red trims and stuff, but closer towards the Bathurst 1000, they revealed this livery. It's matte black and it's got a shiny metallic gold to it. And I think this is actually the base or the start of the current 2026 liveries. Because after that Bathurst 1000 win, this year they're running matte black with a lot of metallic gold accents. This is a pretty good looking model. This model is limited edition of 2,700. Usually with Bathurst 1000 winners, there is a lot that are made. And it's die cast with opening parts. So that's the bonnet, so you can see the engine bay, and both doors, so you can see the cool race interior. We're truly happy that Matt Payne and Garth Tander got that win. And I hope you guys are happy about it too, because now you can celebrate with this model. Now, as I'm recording this, this model is on its way, and you should be able to get it very, very soon. So make sure you guys keeping a lookout on the website. Just drop down in the in transit section and it'll tell you what models are due to arrive basically. Now don't forget, with this 2025 Bathurst winner range, there was also prints and medallions that came with it. We also announced 2 other different scales of this model. This is the 1/18th obviously, and we also announced the 1/12th and the 1/43rd. So keep a lookout. The 1/12th shouldn't be too far away. Not sure about the 1/43rd, but I'm fairly certain it is not too long after that. So keep a lookout for those. Anyway guys, thank you for watching and hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and comment what your favorite memorable moment was from the Bathurst 1000 in 2025. Buy the model, peace.